First, the top news headlines. Manipur celebrates 71st Republic Day with gaiety and patriotic fervor. Five blasts rock Assam on Republic Day. And Arun Jaitley, Sushma Swaraj, Mary Kom among 141 Padma Awards recipients. A very good afternoon. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm Loving Rimai with the news in details. Manipur celebrated the 71st Republic Day today with gaiety and patriotic fervor. The function was inaugurated by Governor of Manipur, Dr. Nachma Haptula, by unfurling the tricolour at the historic Kangla in Imphal. Chief Minister of Manipur, N. Biren, MLAs and a host of officials attended the function. Sarangthem Asana MPS was the commander of the Republic Day parade of 118 contingents. 11 police personnel were conferred on medals on the occasion. Jamadar Mohammad Giyasuddin of 7th IRB, MPS Suresh Thapa, Commanding Officer of 1st MR, S. Sarachandra Singh of 3rd IRB, Additional Sub-Inspector L. Devishore of MTPO, K. Brojan Singh of HC Imphal West, Kwaltian Thang Vaipai of Churachandpur HC, and Havildar A. Bhoman Sharma of 7th IRB were conferred the President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service. Union Home Minister's Medal for Excellence in Police Training was conferred on Havildar Y. Guneshwar Singh, D. Matthew Maring of MPTC, and Y. Sundar Singh of Revalidated Force Goal MPTC.
2017-2018. Ex-servicemen को भी सलामी भी BSF contingent CRPF male contingent Subdar Asabomsha Senior Under Officer C.H. Linthoi Janu where all the creatures are said to have originated through observing.
District Administration Imphal East celebrated 71st Republic Day 2020 at the State Institute of Rural Development Complex, Porombod. Altogether, 16 contingents took part in the parade. Additional District Magistrate Imphal East Syed Ahmed took salute from the smart contingents. This was the 23rd Republic Day celebration in the district. District Administration Kokching also celebrated 71st Republic Day at District Sports Association DSA Playground Kokching. Deputy Commissioner Kokching Valentina Arambam attended the program. Sub-Divisional Police Officer Suknu Amakcham Devananda was the parade commander. Around 27 contingents took part in the Republic Day parade. Certificates of appreciation were presented to the outstanding employees under District Administration Department, office bearers of Kaching Municipal Council and District Police personnel. Councillors, Zila Parishad members, Pradhans, Superintendent of Police Yengkhom Victoria and other officials attended the event.
Manipuri, Good Shepherd School, Kaching Girls continue. Vidyananda Sarmana, Secondary School, Girls continue. Sebut pergi suruh tu tahun lebih lepas. Rescue tu mana? Istilah segi, manu mapun palang, pernah makatalan. Lieutenant Pinoy, the operator, Kaching Municipal Council.
The 71st Republic Day was celebrated at the Jiribam District Headquarters under the aegis of Jiribam District Administration. Deputy Commissioner of Jiribam W. Malimnganba Chenglei unfurled the tricolour on the occasion. A colourful march past drill parade was taken out by contingents from RK Sanatombi Devi Vidyalaya campus up to Jiribam Higher Secondary School playground. The parade was led by Subdivisional Police Officer, Jiribam District, Tanjam Sanatomba. 32 contingents comprising of police personnel, VDF, 87 Battalion CRPF, 7th IRB, schools, colleges and cultural dance troops took part in the Republic Day parade. At the event, W. Malimnganba Chenglei said we should remember all the freedom fighters.
Assistant Sub-Inspector, ICOM Surat Singh.
Celebrating day is Student Police Uniform led by Platoon Commander Sub-Inspector Yumnimban Lakesh Dan Singh.
India celebrated its 71st Republic Day today. The celebration at Rajpath started with Prime Minister Narendra Modi paying homage to the fallen soldiers at the newly built National War Memorial on the Republic Day for the first time instead of the Amar Jawan Jyoti beneath the India Gate arch. This was followed by President Ramnath Kovind unfurling the tricolour. The occasion marks the day when India's constitution came into effect and the country became a republic. Heavy lift helicopter Chinook and attack helicopter Apache, both recently inducted in the Indian Air Force, took part in the Republic Day flypast for the first time today. The Chinooks can airlift diverse loads in remote locations. The entire national capital has been put under a multi-layered ground-to-air security cover with thousands of armed personnel keeping a tight vigil over it. Brazilian President Jair Messias Bolsonaro, who was the chief guest for the Republic Day celebrations, was accorded the ceremonial guard of honor at the Rashtrapati Bhavan by President Ramnath Kovind and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Amid tightened security for Republic Day celebration, serial blasts rocked Upper Assam this morning. Even as the state along with the Northeast and entire nation is celebrating the 71st Republic Day, serial blast in Assam has raised serious questions on the security mechanism. In Dibrugarh, 2 low-intensity explosions took place near Astha Hospital and at 80 Road near Gurudwara today morning. According to reports, similar bomb blasts took place in Duliajan, Dumduma and Sonari. Meanwhile, security forces have reached the blast spots and started investigation. Notably, ULFAI has carried out similar blasts during Republic Day and Independence Day celebrations on earlier occasions. Like every year, this year also, the ULFAI has called for boycott of Republic Day celebration. Though no one has claimed responsibility for the explosions, it is presumed that these bomb blasts on Republic Day were carried out by ULFAI. Through these explosions, the banned militant outfit seems to have asserted their presence in eastern Assam. Former Central Ministers Arun Jaitley, Sushma Swaraj and George Fernandes have been posthumously awarded Padma Vibhushan, India's second highest civilian honour, the Ministry of Home Affairs announced on Saturday. Former Goa Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has been given Padma Bhushan, the third highest civilian award. All the four BJP stalwarts had died last year. This year's Padma Award list includes 7 Padma Vibhushan, 16 Padma Bhushan and 118 Padma Shri awards, fourth highest civilian honour, the statement said, adding 34 of the awardees are women. Olympic medal winner boxer MC Mary Kom has been given Padma Vibhushan. Badminton star PV Sindhu has been conferred Padma Bhushan. Renowned classical singer from Varanasi, Chanulal Mishra is among the Padma Vibhushan awardees, whereas playback singer Suresh Watkar has been awarded the fourth highest civilian honour. Bollywood personalities Karan Johar, Ekta Kapoor and Kangana Ranaut are among the Padma Shri awardees. 18 people from the category of foreigners, NRI, PIO, OCI have also been awarded. Mauritius Prime Minister Anirudh Goknath has got the second highest civilian honour. An electric transformer located at Ward number 6 of Uripok Khaidam Lekai reportedly poses danger to the residents as the transformer has no fans. Khaidam Lekai Development Society Vice President Maisnam Rashumani told TOMTV that on 13th of this month, the locals had requested MSPDCL through writing to build a fence around the transformer. However, nothing has been done till now. He said the locals have decided to build the fence on their own if the concerned department still fails to act.
MSPDCL yengbidana makhoi khudong chaba ka yenga wire sing makhada chingthabadagi angang ji sugumba mamangda su sumba khudong thiwa che thokpa ya bai khudong thokre do handak ki sidi am chauna angang du akhoi gi mai ni ching pokhai na bo sibya bai condition tobani du lebo phabadagi hingdi hingore MSPDCL na yaragadi siju yengbiduna compensation khar pibi ba akhoi lekana su angam mateng pangjai adu yare ge athuba matam da angang sing sana banina akhoi transformer asigi akoi bada leiba asi fencing amatang athum matam da tobi hodna haukiba tang traum do da complaint tawjabadu hauji phawba moi lakpidre aduna mache yarige akhoi authority na MSPDCL gi adu akhoi gi fencing ase khabiu haina media gi thongda akhoi complaint tawjari.
The fishery farm located near Kutikong Pukri under the Bongkuno village of Jiribam district has remained neglected by the concerned department. Kutikong Pukri serves as one of the most important sources of fish for Jiribam residents, but the fish pond has been turned into a fishing site for the locals now. Talking to Times of Manipur television, Jiribam fishery officer M. Manichan Singh said that the fishery farm is facing staff shortage. Meanwhile, the newly appointed director of the department has assured of solving the issue soon.
Jiribamda na go to village mission makada blue revolution na program pa kali seda ako di kita no pa new construction da new tramari aduka creation of fingering yaring pungita ni tara amaga khangaraga juji
On the other hand, General Secretary of Yaifa Club, Lamjing Club, Dibongkuno, H. Priyananda Singh told Times of Manipur television that most of the fishery farms under the fishery department are now in pathetic condition due to long-time negligence, resulting in failure of the department to supply fish to the public during festive occasions. He urged the concerned authority to look into the matter immediately.
Fishery asi mamang sahi kaya gi mamang di kogi ningol chakauba singba achawa sing festival singda nga puthotuna yamna chauna yamna mating tawbiramani hojikti adugumba leitre maram aduna hariba fishery asi achuba matamda kogi mari lena department singna migen changbiraga hariba fishery asibu government ki una leiba fishery asibu apung phaba kogi fishery ama haibadu hanbiu haidna numutsari.
Indigenous Peoples Association of Kangleipak conveyed best wishes to the students of Class 10 and 12 who are appearing board examinations 2020. IPAC, in a release, also appealed to all to stop organizing entertainment programs from January 31 to February 18 in view of the upcoming exams. Now let's take a look at the sports news. Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu dedicated the 4,000 seating capacity Badi Yubey Outdoor Stadium to the people of Lower Subansiri district, named after the first cabinet minister from Apatani community yesterday. The Chief Minister also unveiled the memorial statue of Badi Yubey and paid homage to the departed soul by offering flowers. Addressing a gathering at the stadium in Zero, the Chief Minister congratulated the people of Zero Valley and Lower Subansiri district on finally having a modern outdoor stadium that would not only serve games and sports events but also in organizing special occasions. He said it's befitting that the mega infrastructure has been named after one of the most luminous sons of the soil, late Badi Yubey. Valencia striker Maxi Gomez scored once and helped produce an own goal by Jordi Alba to beat Barcelona 2-0 in the Spanish league yesterday at Barcelona. The loss was the first for Barcelona in 3 matches under coach Kiki Setien, who was hired to replace Ernesto Valverde last week as per reports. Coco Gauff's latest history-making Grand Slam run at age 15 ended with a 6-7, 6-3, 6-0 loss in the Australian Open's 4th round to Sofia Kenin today. In her previous match, Gauff beat Naomi Osaka to become the youngest player in the professional era to defeat the reigning women's champion at the Australian Open. But Gauff did not play as well this time, winding up with 48 unforced errors, more than twice as many as Kenin's 22. Now let's go through some of the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Cabinet resolves to replace AR with state forces at checkpost. Borolan all set to become union territory. Disqualification case of Syam Kumar. Supreme Court order copy handed over to Speaker's Tribunal. Assault on lady IPS officer. Many more extend solidarity, seek justice. The People's Chronicle. State forced to replace AR at vehicle checkposts. Governor, Chief Minister extend Republic Day greetings. Manipur Organic Mission Agency airlifts organic turmeric to Mumbai. State proposes Rs 275 crore underground extraction project. Imphal Free Press. Public participation in election at national average. Can do better, says CS. Chief Minister appeals to use products made in Manipur. Supreme Court Advocate submits court judgment on Syam Kumar's case to Speaker. State Cabinet approves ouster of AR checkposts along highways. More condemnation on Kudengthabi incident. UNC condoles Vero's demise. Manipur Mail. Chief Minister distributes farm machineries and equipments. Republic Day today. Padma Vibhushan for Mary. Kipgan distributes gifts to special home children. Supreme Court order on Syam Kumar's disqualification case.
Before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Manipur celebrates 71st Republic Day with gaiety and patriotic fervor. 5 blasts rock Assam on Republic Day. And Arun Jaitley, Sushma Swaraj, Mary Kom among 141 Padma Awards recipients. That's all for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.